All right, guys. So they just did an update today, right here on the message on the dashboard, right here for 2921. Previously, your tier level described the maximum number of products you could create. Starting today, we are upgrading the accounts, so tier levels will indicate the overall number of designs you can create. Upgraded accounts will display your number of published designs along with the daily product limits on the dashboard page. Support this change. We temporarily reduce the daily submission limits. Read here. So when you click here, and I'll put this down below in the description, it's going to bring you over here. Okay, it's going to go into more detail about all of this stuff, all this information. But I want to show you what it looks like on my personal dashboard. Products submitted today, you're going to see. All right, 12. And then I can upload over 600 products if I wanted to. Okay, published designs, you're going to see right here. I have 22,000. And then product potential, this is freaking crazy, right? Oh, like 12 million, right? And you can see right here, I'm at tier 200K, by the way. They're really cool. I love to see this type of stuff. They're updating it. And you can see how they're trying to, make things better and stuff on the dashboard. When they do stuff like this, guys, I love it because they're trying to make it better for us, right? As a seller, for us sellers that follow the rules and stuff like that and try to, make the platform a better place. They're actually helping us and keeping us updated with certain things. So I think it's really amazing that they're doing this. And our dashboards look a little cooler, right? From the very beginning, when I first started, they always were very plain and basic. But now it looks a little bit more updated and up to date, right? And also, too, one of the biggest upsides to this, and so when you upload one design, before when you would upload one design, instead of uploading to all the products and all the different marketplaces, instead of having 20 uploads in one day, right? It's going to be one product, right? Does that make sense? So when you upload one design, okay, it's basically only going to count as one design, instead of before when you upload one design, you put them on a pop socket or a cell phone or whatever, and it counted as 4 or 5. Now it's only going to count it as one, and I think that's really, really awesome. Okay, for us, it sounds like it's a good thing. And then also too, instead of getting one rejection, and then let's say instead of getting 3 or 4 or 5 different rejection, right, we'll only get one. Instead of having 3 or 4 or 5, it only counts as one. So I think that they're just trying to improve the platform and make it better, if that makes sense. I try to explain it as best as possible, but I think that's a really big thing right there, and it benefits us sellers on the Amazon.com platform, and as Merch by Amazon sellers. So that's really cool. So any questions at all, comment down below, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up.